What if I told you that your smartphone knows where you've been? Your search history knows what you're thinking. Your social media knows what you like. And artificial intelligence can connect all of it. Not in the future, right now. For decades, privacy meant something simple. If you stayed quiet, kept your personal information to yourself, and lived your life normally, most of your activities remained private. But the digital age changed everything. Every website you visit, every app you open, every location you travel to, every video you watch, every purchase you make, leaves behind data, tiny pieces of information that seem harmless on their own. But when combined together, they can create a surprisingly detailed picture of your life. And artificial intelligence is making that process more powerful than ever before. Most people think AI is just chatbots and image generators. But one of AI's greatest strengths is pattern recognition. AI can process enormous amounts of information far faster than any human could. It can identify habits, predict behavior, recognize faces, track movements, and connect data from thousands of different sources. What would take a team of analysts months to discover can sometimes be identified by AI in minutes. And that's where things start becoming uncomfortable. Imagine an AI system that knows where you work, where you live, when you wake up, what products you buy, what videos you watch, what political topics interest you, who your friends are, where you travel, what websites you visit. Individually, none of this information seems particularly dangerous, but together, it becomes a digital version of you, a profile that may know your habits better than you do. And in many cases, this data is already being collected. Companies gather information to improve advertising. Apps collect usage data. Websites track behavior. Smart devices monitor activity. Even modern vehicles can collect detailed information about driving habits and locations. Artificial intelligence makes all of this data far more valuable. Because AI can find connections humans would never notice. It can predict future behavior based on past actions. It can estimate interests, preferences, and routines. And as AI systems improve, those predictions become increasingly accurate. Some experts believe we are entering an era where privacy becomes harder to maintain than ever before. Not because someone is personally watching you, but because machines can analyze billions of data points automatically, at a scale that would have been impossible only a few years ago. Facial recognition technology is one example. Modern AI systems can identify people from photographs, security cameras, and public images with remarkable accuracy. In some parts of the world, these systems are already being used for security and surveillance purposes, and the technology continues to improve every year. Voice recognition is advancing too. AI can now identify individuals based on speech patterns. In some cases, it can even clone voices using only short audio samples. The same technologies that make AI useful can also make it incredibly powerful when combined with large amounts of personal information. Supporters argue that these technologies provide convenience, security, and efficiency. Smarter services, better recommendations, improved safety systems, faster access to information. And they're not wrong. AI can provide enormous benefits, but every technological advantage comes with trade-offs. And the trade-off may be privacy. Because once data is collected, it often remains stored somewhere. And as AI becomes more capable, information that once seemed meaningless may become valuable years later. A photo, a location history, a voice recording, a search query. Data that appears harmless today may reveal much more when analyzed by future AI systems. That's why privacy experts continue to raise concerns. Not because artificial intelligence is evil, but because it is incredibly powerful. And powerful tools can be used in many different ways. Right now, artificial intelligence is helping shape the future of medicine, science, education, and technology. But it is also transforming surveillance, data analysis, and information gathering. The question isn't whether AI will become more capable. It will. The real question is whether society can keep up. Because every day, billions of people generate enormous amounts of personal information. And every year, artificial intelligence becomes better at understanding it. For most of human history, privacy was the default. In the age of artificial intelligence, that may no longer be true. And the most unsettling part? Many people are giving away that information voluntarily, one click at a time.